Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, we'll see how we can install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. So we will first begin with installing the VirtualBox. So let's go to Google and let's write VirtualBox install and click on the first link. I'll provide the link in the description also. So yes, here you have to click on this window host if you are on Windows, and if your operating system is Mac operating system, then you can click on this respectively. And let's click on Windows for now, and it will just install the VirtualBox for you. But I already have VirtualBox on my PC, so I'll not do this. Just pause it and let's go to downloads, and uh, here you can see VirtualBox is here. So once your file is installed, you have to click it. Okay, you'll have this window. Then you have to click next. Since I already have my VirtualBox pre-installed, so it is showing this screen. In your PC, it will be showing some location. Then you have to just click on next, and finally install it. Click on finish. After you have installed, go to your search and type Oracle VirtualBox and just click it. So this will be your VirtualBox manager, and here you will run your Kali Linux basically. So let's first install Kali Linux ISO file. So go to this Google and search Kali Linux ISO file. Click on the first link. So here go to this installer. After clicking this, you just have to install this first one. So just install it. So it will be installed. It will take a lot of time if your internet connection is slow. So I already have installed it already. So I'm pausing this because I already have installed. Okay, so after both of things are installed on your PC, we will open the Oracle VirtualBox. Just go on to new. Here give the name of your operating system, which is Kali Linux, and you can specify your folder location if you want to keep the folder in some specific drive. So you can do this, and here you have to select the Kali Linux which you have installed. So this is your Kali Linux ISO file, and just keep it here. Then go on next. After this base memories, you can keep it around 4, 5, 8, 9. Okay. CPU should be 1 only. Then click on next and create a virtual disk now. Yes. And disk size, okay, 25 GB is okay. You can make it around 10 GB also. That will also work fine. And just click on next and then just finish. So you can see Kali Linux operating system is now here. I'll just click on it and I'll do start. So after clicking on start, our Kali Linux will appear, and there you have to install this operating system. So let's just wait. Okay. So here it has come. Click on graphic install here. Use a keyboard. So we will just click enter and let's just wait. So here it is asking for the language, so you can choose your language. I'll choose English only, then I'll just continue. After this, I'll select my country, then configure. Yes, I want English keyboard, then continue. Let's just wait. So okay, so the host name will be Kali only, then continue. Here I'll not write any domain name, so you can click on continue. a username. So here you will give the name. You can give your name or whatever you want. So it is like this is the username for your computer. Just like Windows, you have your username and password. So this is how you are creating your username and password for Kali Linux. So I'll just continue. Here I can give my password. So let me just give my password and then I'll continue. The username you entered is valid. Note that. Okay. So the username, you can click on setup users and password. Okay, yeah. My username should begin with a small letter. Okay. Continue. Then continue. And I'll username should begin with a small letter only. So I'll continue. Then I'll give a password. After this, I'll click on continue. Okay, so okay, here it is important. You have to click on this guided use entire disk only. Okay, then click on continue. Click continue, continue, and here you will click on this only and then continue and click on yes and again continue. It will obviously take a huge amount of time because you are actually installing a system. Like you install Windows on your PC. Similarly, it's like you are installing another operating system. So it will obviously take some time. So let's keep the patience inside us. Okay, so finally, after a lot of time, it is finally installed. I'll click on the first option only and continue again. Okay, let's just wait again. Okay, so we are here. This step took around half an hour for me. So it might be more or less for you. So I repeat again, have patience while installing. So here I'll just click on yes and will continue. Yes. Uh, Here you have to select this hard disk and then continue. And let's just wait again. It's just finishing the installation. This will be fast, I think. Okay, so the installation is finished. Click on continue. Let's just wait again. And tada, your Kali Linux is finally here. Do not click anything here. Let it boot. So your system is now just about to run. Okay. So just like you have window logo, they have the Kali Linux logo. Okay. So here you have to enter your username that you have created and your password, and you can. Tada! You are logged in. You can now hear this is your Kali Linux, and see this is the Kali Linux, and you can work on it. So you have to remember your username and password, and in case you forgot your username or you want to reset your password, I have that video also on my channel, so you can go and watch it. So if you like the tutorial, do subscribe, do like, and let me know in the comment what more you want from me. So thank you and have a great day.